What up, what up? Welcome back. It's been a while, but a homie said that there's an H series at the junkyard, so I was like, man, I got no other options at the moment. Let's go check it out. Thing's been sitting. So basically had to get all my stuff out the back right there. I had to clean it all out, take the speakers out of the car. I got everything I need. Let's hit the junkyard. All right, boys. Got her all taken apart. It's ready to pull. Let's go. All right. Got the bullshit out. Time to set it down on the cart. Unmount the transmission and call it a day. All right, y'all. Got the engine done. Got it out. Threw the tranny over here. If anybody needs it. Got those axles out by myself. Shout out to the homies here at the junkyard that give a guy a hand. The paisas, bro. You know, it would be easy to go to K series, make 600 horse, but when I pop that hood, and they're like, "Ooh, what's that?" That's kind of why I do it. This engine is in much better condition than the last one. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do what I do with all of them, clean it up, check it out, send it. Here we go. All right, we're done. Look at this fucking thing. All right, guys, so I got the engine out, just looking at all the valves. Valves all look pretty good. My only issue is that's in cylinder number 1, and that one's clean. Looking up in here, nothing looks bent. Nothing looks fucked up. Another thing is the oil looked clean. The cams all look not bad. Again, this isn't a good motor by any means, but in comparison to what I've had, and especially like that last engine I put 400 horse to that didn't last long, this is like way better. So stay tuned. All right, y'all. So as you can see, it's here. A little rough up here, whatever though. That's what we're dealing with when we fuck with these used engines. Fucking little Civic was a trooper. Got another one of these. Looks like they took the IAC, which is cool, whatever. But this thing's gonna fucking live, hopefully. So, you know the deal. Stock engine. I gotta put first I gotta put the timing belt tensioner. I gotta put all the extra stuff, block off the IAC, do all that shit to this engine. But I mean, I paid so it's like $300 and something, but you get $50 of a core, and I have the blown up one, so I'm gonna take that back and get my $50 back. But shout out Juan, I appreciate you, brother, for letting me know. He shot me a text yesterday and said, hey, you know, there's an H over there at the yard, so go grab it. But fuck yeah, it's been way too long. Stay tuned. And that's what you call a stacked ass fucking storage unit. So got that bitch. Gonna keep it on the back burner for a minute and we'll go from there.